Good morning, Monday morning. We're going to start off with good things. This is in Schoology discussion, so you're going to post anything positive going on. Secondly, we're going to be talking about directed reaching out. So within Schoology messaging and also in your email, you're going to be getting some smaller group activities. So please expect to check your email. If you haven't checked your email yet this week, I would highly recommend doing it and just get familiar with your Gmail account. And then finally, we're going to be logging into HMH and doing some exploring. I wanted to model what this looks like right now. When you log in, you can click either here on the link, or you can transfer it to another window. When you get to the link, it looks like this. And the login is right below. So the username is California Student, and then the password is C@Science1. You put that in, sign in. And I wanted to show how you can navigate the screen to get to different texts. So right now you're in the high school chemistry and earth science textbook, but you can actually explore the other grade levels. Spanish version, or even high school. So I want you to spend some time looking around in here and picking something that's interesting to you that you'd like to share. So let's just go to grade 8. Earth through time, waves. Oh, I know I'm interested in the ocean. I wonder if this has anything to do with that. Click on something you're interested in. And once you're there, I'd like you to interact with the material. So, looks like here I'm going to be watching and listening. Here I'm going to be typing. And here I discuss with a partner. So once you've found something that you think is interesting, what I'd like you to do is to share the grade level and the unit that you researched, and at least a couple questions you had about what you were wondering about. So you can spend more time. You don't have to go to the first one that you chose. Let's say you went to the waves and you thought, oh, well, it wasn't exactly what I thought. You could actually go back by navigating through the contents. So I was in this window, and what I found out is in order to go back, so if I want to change the content, I actually open a new window. I have to go back. I can't get to the other units or other grade levels from here. I have to go to my other window. So today, on Monday, my expectation is you're poking around in the different units, looking at grade levels above and below you, maybe even checking out Spanish, seeing one that works for you. And when you have found something that's interesting, it's going to open up a new window into the material. And what you're going to do is post the unit as well as the title of what you were looking at and any questions you had about it. So going back one more time, looking at the different units. So grade level. Unit. And a couple questions that you had about that unit. Looking forward to seeing your post.